Now let's focus on air pollution issue. And 95 of 131 cities covered under the National Green Air Program have shown an improvement in air quality, with 21 reducing particulate matter 10 pollution by more than 40% compared to 2017-2018 levels. That's a very key pollutant. The CPCB data has shown this. The Central Pollution Control Board also said that only 18 of the 131 National Clean Air Program cities adhere to the National Ambient Air Quality Standards for PM10 set at 60 micrograms per cubic meter, and 21 cities in urban areas that achieved more than 40% reduction were Varanasi, Dhanbad, Bareilly, Dehradun among them. Well, let's go across now to Shreya for more and give us more details about this report, and also what steps were taken to bring down the air pollution that has led to this PM10 coming down.
Right, there are sustainable solutions like proper solid waste management, increasing the green cover, which were taken into consideration for making sure that these air quality improves in these cities. And we have seen that surprisingly, Surat, Jabalpur, and Agra has emerged as the top city in India for air quality improvements, and almost 10 to 20% there has been a reduction in PM10 pollution in Delhi itself, which is considered the world's most polluted city. However, these big cities like Delhi and Mumbai and Kolkata, they are still lagging behind in meeting the standard air quality, measurements. And although it is reducing in its PM10 pollution levels, but it is still struggling to maintain the air quality in these particular cities. And we know that out of these 131 Indian cities, 95 of them have sort of improved their air quality, but only 18 of them have reached the acceptable limits. And these are cities like Trichy, Tuticorin, Karapa, and we also know that that this NCAP, the National Cleaning this NCP targets ahead of schedule, but most of these cities like Greater Mumbai, Varanasi, Agra, Kanpur, Lucknow, Dehradun, these cities, they still haven't met the national standard of PM10 concentration. And these are all high polluting cities. And although the central government is putting significant fund allocation to reduce the pollution levels so that it can meet its target of 40% reduction of the PM10 by the year 2025 to 26. Yeah, there is a long way to go, and we know that the center has almost funded nearly 20,000 crores for 2019 to 2020, and it's a long way to go. There has been significant improvement, but when it comes to these big cities like Delhi, Bombay, Kolkata, they are yet to improve their air quality in these cities.